Thank you, Mrs. Ocampo. Congratulations, awardees. Recognition Day is the culmination of all hard works and a year of study. And also it is one of the most anticipated days in our school calendar, as it serves as a stepping stone for every student who has visions and dreams. At this moment, may I call in Michi Isabel C. Tonko to give some words of gratitude. Let us spin our ears and give her a round of applause.
Good morning to everyone gathered here today, our parents, teachers, school administrators, staff, our beloved school principal, Mrs. Ida P. Ignacio, and our classmates. To our teachers, thank you for sharing your time, your patience, talent, and knowledge. You put a lot of effort into making your lessons lively and more interesting every single day. Thank you for being our second parent at this school. You gave us advice when we have problems, and you set goals and challenges so we can live up to our dreams. To our school principal and all the office staff, thank you for your good management. We really appreciate all your efforts. To our guidance counselors, thank you for listening and trying to keep us on the right track. You taught us discipline and to be a responsible student. You always try to make us better individuals by correcting us when we did something wrong. Without you, some might not be present here in our recognition ceremony right now. To our staff, thank you for keeping our school safe and clean. You are always there for us students. To our friends and classmates, thank you for making our school days fun and memorable. Let us all fulfill our goals and reach our dreams. To our dearest family, especially our parents, we say thank you for your unconditional love and support. Thank you for giving us a chance to study at this respected school. We know that you work very hard to support our needs. And lastly, to our dear Creator, thank you for the knowledge, wisdom, and all the blessings. Thank you for everything. To everyone, you all deserve a round of applause. The best way to express our gratitude is to make the most of the opportunity we've been given and be ready for our future. Again, to those who have made a difference in our lives, we say infinite gratitude to you. I just want to leave simple words. Thank you, goodbye, and God bless.
Thank you, Michi, for that special message. Before we end our program, may I request everyone